Good morning. This is Ron from Lake Gregory Weather. It's Friday, November 29th, and I hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving Day and a safe one yesterday. So this morning, what we have here is a lot of high clouds moving over the area and very cool temperatures. I had a low of 28 here at the south shore of Lake Gregory this morning. And currently we have light winds from the east running from about 1 to 5 miles per hour. And as you can see down here by looking at the lake this morning, the water, which we can actually see today, there's no fog for one, and there's no ripples on the lake, so it's pretty glassy, and that indicates that there's not much wind this morning. So moving up to the Highway 18 and Lake Gregory Drive Cam, we have clear skies, dry roads, and good visibility this morning. So there's not going to be any road problems today other than just there might be a few icy spots because of the cool temperatures if there happens to be any water left over from our little bit of rain the other night. And looking off into Waterman Canyon, we have clear skies down there as well. So it's going to be a nice day today. It should warm up into the mid 50s or so around the Crestline and Lake Arrowhead areas. And just going to be a nice day. We'll have light winds out of the northeast, and they'll be settling down throughout the day and becoming onshore starting Saturday. So looking at the state radar, we do have some showers showing up offshore from an area of low pressure that's sitting out to our west. I don't believe that any of this is going to reach the ground, but it is moving towards our direction, so the higher elevations could see a few sprinkles or maybe a snow flurry or two today as this moves onshore. Then moving up into the Central Valley, we have dense fog advisory all up through the San Joaquin Valley and up along the coast from Sacramento all the way down to around Santa Cruz area. So if you're driving north on the 5 this morning, you can expect to hit fog, but that should clear out by later on this morning. So checking out the current temperatures across the local area. Again, here at the south shore of Lake Gregory, I have 31 degrees. And out here by Job's Peak, we've got 39 degrees. And up here in the Mile High Park area, it looks like it's about 27. And up along the rim, we've got about 38 degrees this morning. And checking the temperatures around the Lake Arrowhead area, we've got 37 up here on the north shore. We're on St. Bernard Way. And on the south shore of Lake Arrowhead, we have in the low 30s. Over here at Burnt Mill Canyon, we've got 32 degrees. And out here at Glen Avon Drive, we've got 37. And out here on Hickory Drive, we've got 34. And up along the rim at Crest Park, we've got 38 degrees. And over here in Skyland, we have 40 degrees this morning. And checking out the winds around the lake, looks like it's pretty calm. We got a couple mile an hour up here at again at St. Bernard, and along the front country we've got 1 to 3 miles an hour. So really pretty calm this morning for most areas. Up in the Running Springs areas, we're along the front side here. We've got in the 40s, and then down in town we've got 32 degrees. And 39 degrees. See, we got 32 in Hunsaker, and then as we head up the road here on Highway 18 in Arrowbear, we've got 31, and then up in Green Valley Lake, it looks like it's in the low 30s as well. Checking in on Big Bear, we've got temperatures around the airport. Looks like it's running around 21 degrees. And out towards Baldwin Lake, we've got 23. And up here in Fawnskin, we've got 25 degrees. So pretty cold this morning up that way. And that's a local temperature outlook for the day. And moving over to the 500 millibar chart for the next couple of days. This is a little cutoff low that's going to be sitting offshore to our west. We're located here, of course, in Southern California, right about there. And this ought to be sitting out here for a little bit, and we've got high pressure to our south and a little ridge over us that's going to give us nice weather throughout the weekend. So as we move forward into today and tomorrow, you can see that area of low pressure is weakening, but it's still remaining offshore quite a ways, and we're still underneath this ridge right here of high pressure here in Southern California, which is going to keep temperatures moderately warm, slightly above normal through the weekend. This is Saturday, and we'll move on forward into Sunday morning. And we still are just sitting here underneath kind of a warm area of air mass. So it's going to stay nice right on through the weekend, Monday, Tuesday. That low finally moves onshore here, but I don't believe it's going to be of much consequence other than we're going to trade the northeast winds that we have today that are pretty weak for an onshore flow that's going to be occurring for the first part of next week. And that's pretty much it. All the way through the 5th of December, it just really doesn't look like there's going to be any kind of moisture coming our way. Just fair weather and mostly clear skies, some high clouds throughout the day today and tomorrow. And that'll be clearing out. And that's pretty much about it. So have a good weekend. Enjoy the weather. And we'll catch you on the next one. This is Rod from Lake Gregory Weather. Thanks for joining me here this morning. It's Friday, November 29th at 7:45 in the morning.